everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go here to this window of Messenger and you will enter in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. In this page here you will click on storage as you see and you will click. In this page here we click on clear cache, and then when you will click on clear cache you will go to this sign of Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.